how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie. I haven't made a video in a couple weeks maybe. So today I'm going to make the fourth smoothie, the blueberry, the purple one. I haven't really been that hungry for the blueberry one, so it took a while to kind of want to make this one. And before the fruit melts, we gotta start making it. But yeah, a lot's been going on, doing a lot of fun stuff, so get into the smoothie. All right, here we go. And the ingredients we're using is frozen blueberries, raspberries, frozen banana, I've got yogurt, and I've got some milk. Okay, so we'll set this down. Hopefully it'll stay. Okay, let's see. Alrighty, so, and the other thing is, if you are dairy free, you can use soy milk, almond milk, rice milk, oat milk. There's so many different, there's a lot of different dairy free milks you can use. Okie doke, so let's get this started. I don't even know what we put in first. Anybody? Let's put in the raspberries first. Alright, put the raspberries in. We'll put the frozen bananas in. Put some of the blueberries in. Let's get a thing. Blueberries. We gotta check our max line. Figure out where that line is. There's like a max line on it. It's right there. Okay, we don't want to go over our line. These in. These in. Okay, now we're gonna do the yogurt. You can still see. Okay. Alright, yogurt. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. Okay, so we did 5. We're going to do the milk up to the line. Still see what I'm doing. Okay. Just put it in. Figure out where my max line is. Okay, yeah, there's our line. See, the max line. We did good. We filled it right where we needed to. I guess I could put in a few more blueberries. I know I didn't have that many raspberries, did I? Okay, let's give this a shot. Alright. Okay. Okay, so let's get it dialed up here. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Go ahead and put it on and blend it. Checked it. I think we have everything. Shake it up a little bit. I wonder if that helps it. Get it started. Okay. Ready? All systems go. Yeah. I think it's fine. I think it's good. Yeah. Put it in a glass. It's a little on the thin side. I know I'm so my first world problems here. No, I like it. It's I bet you would have to put ice in to make it thicker or whatever. But okay, let me get a jar so you guys can see. Oh. Sorry, I don't have everything ready. Okay, I'm back. Don't never fear. Okay, pour it into the jar. Yeah, I think it's fine. We blended it long enough. Try it again. Good. Tastes good. I don't know why I was. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. Ooh. See, there it is. Looks pretty good. Where my straw went to. There it is. Need to have a straw in the jar ready, huh? Okay. Oh, that's good. It tastes like blueberry, and I don't think what my little garnish could be. I do have put a little bit of granola on top. That would be like for the garnish. I think I'm gonna do for the picture. Yeah, it's good. I like it. It usually gets it'll get blueberries in your teeth. Yeah, so I'm gonna sit outside and I'll sit outside and drink this one. It's good. So anyhow, so yeah, just the other thing I wanted to say was I watched season 4 of Virgin River. It was so good on Netflix. I watched it in 5 days. I can sometimes binge one of those shows in a new season in 2 days, but I wait. It took me like 5 because there were 12 episodes, so it took me like 5 days to watch it. But yeah, it's a good. There's like 16 different storylines on that show. So yeah. Anywho, yeah, that concert was good the other night. The God concert, as my one friend said. Christian rock is what they are. But yeah, it was good. There was a song, God Only Knows. That was a song I knew from the brothers, and then That Together is good, and then the Rebecca St. James, Dawn. My friend Nancy had posted that one time where they all sing it together. That's how I had heard it, and I thought that would be cool, but she did it by herself. But yeah, it was a good concert. Yeah, so the next concert we're going to is Tracy Byrd and Tracy Lawrence, two like country stars that like aren't super well known. The only now I'm like I know a few of their songs. One of them's like "Paint Me a Birmingham," I don't know, but I think that's it. The phrase. So that's another concert. But yeah, there's lots of good concerts around here, and yeah. So I'm probably going to another soccer game in September. I have to get the tickets. And hopefully Acosta will be back. I haven't dried my hair yet. I just got out of the shower. But yeah, hopefully Acosta will be back. He's my favorite player. I like his name's Luciano Acosta. Lucho Acosta. He has like between him and Brandon Vasquez has like our most goals. Him and Acosta. Brenner's doing better. He's scoring more. I like Kubo. Yuya Kubo. I like Jeff Cameron, of course. I think, of course, Nick Hagelin. He's from Cincinnati. There's one other one. There's two of them, I think, from this area. I like the coach. The coach is cool. I like the reporter, Alex Steck. I think she's cool. I'm like, that would be like my dream job to be like the sideline reporter. I'm like, yeah, that would be just I should drink my smoothie while we're talking. Yeah, it's good. Like I said, I'm not like a smoothie professional. Like I said, I want to take a picture of it. I got a little bit more that'll go on top. But yeah. But I was eating the raspberries the other day, and you just get like the pits right in your teeth. I hate that. So it's better to put the raspberry in here. So yeah. Other than that, hopefully everyone is having a good summer, and yeah. Yeah, this one's good. It tastes like, I don't know, bananas and blueberries, raspberries. Yeah, the chocolate one's next. The chocolate peanut butter, I did buy I think this is what you put in it, the Hershey's cocoa, and I have peanut butter. Yeah, that's like probably the best one. And I'm like, oh, I don't know. Okay, so this video is getting long. I hope it's not too weird or strange. And yeah, so one more smoothie. And then I thought the orange one could be carrots. It could be carrots, and that could be something. I don't like orange. That's just ever since I had went through my treatment and stuff, that was the only thing that kind of like the oranges and the orange juice, and just that just makes me want to I don't know, I can't stomach that. So yeah, so we're getting to be 12 minutes. I think that's enough chit chat. Yeah, so until the next video, everyone have a good week, have a good weekend. Say your affirmations, get some exercise, meditate. I might try to yoga. There's that First Descents. They're actually doing like a weekly yoga thing where I can watch it on. You can watch it on Zoom, or you can watch the playback videos. You can watch. It's on YouTube. My lower back has been hurting, and I don't know exactly what. Just drink this because I don't get that smoothie stuck in your throat. I don't know exactly what I did to my back, but my lower back hurts, so that really sucks. And yeah, so I didn't know. I thought maybe yoga would help it. Who knows? And I was gonna wear a purple top. I had this Life is Good purple that was gonna match my smoothie. Maybe I'll just wear it in a different video, but it has Happy Camper and it's Life is Good. But then I put this on, like I said, I'm gonna try to get some sun or take a walk. Excuse me. Okay, take care. Have a good one. See ya. Bye.